Are you looking to add AI Max to your Google Ads search campaign? Well, this video breaks down what it is and how it should work. So AI Max was added in a later part of Q3, and we've only really just started seeing it appear in our standard search campaigns. So according to Google, AI Max automatically matches your ads to relevant search terms. It also generates and optimizes ad copy, as well as finding the most effective landing pages for your ads. Basically, it's very similar to dynamic search ads, but it has a more enhanced version of broad match in play. Now, we recommend exploring AI Max as a part of a broader strategy, but if there's something you want to turn on, all you need to do is go to your settings, scroll down, and you have the option to turn on AI Max. So, is AI Max right for you? Well, we think there's a good few ways you can use it to get the most out of your ads. One of them being keyword discovery. AI Max can uncover high performing keywords that you're not previously targeting. It's also useful for ad copy optimization. It dynamically generates ad copy with better phrasing and messaging. This can all be used in your other ads and your retargeting campaigns. In addition to this, it can be used for landing page insights. If Google Ads is seeing one page as better than the other, then you know that's the correct way to format your page. This means you can do this across other campaigns and different landing pages. So there is some things to watch out for when you start using AI Max. You want to make sure you control your budget. Google Ads is designed to spend your budget allocation, so restrict the budget so you can test it properly. Run A/B tests and make sure you're testing against standard phrase and exact match campaigns. This will help you measure the true performance of AI Max. One thing that's really important is that you have the conversion tracking in place to know what you're getting from your campaigns. And lastly, expect mixed results. From our testing, AI Max can generate less relevant traffic alongside some really good keyword insights that you can build a bigger strategy upon. If you want to learn more about AI Max, just reach out. We'll be more than happy to have a conversation and see how Google Ads can work for you.